Hi friends, good day and welcome to another episode of Sunday. Today we're going to learn how to use the pay special function to perform some calculations and make it easier for ourselves. All right. So without much ado, we'll go ahead and get started here. I have a bunch of data here reflecting the sales for each store and product out here. And as you see, right, the sales data is a little difficult to read, and so is the cost, because often when values are large, it does get a little difficult to read over here. So one simple way is, and for example, right, if you want to convert this into thousands, um, you know, one way is obviously to apply a formula and increase the data volume on the table instance. But there's another way. We can do it by replacing the same values on the existing data set itself. So what I'm going to do is I'm just have this as 1000 over here, and I'm going to divide all of these values by thousand, so it reflects the value accordingly. So what I've done now is just a copy. I'm going to select all of this, come to paste special um, values, and do a divide. Now it's going, and as you see, it's also reflecting in the formula now as it's divided by 1000. So now I can just change my values on this to be in thousands, right, as K. Similarly for cost, now here's a dilemma I do have, right, because uh, if I want to know my net profit, I do want my cost to be reduced from my sales, for instance. Uh, and thus I do want to see this in a negative number. So in this case, what we're going to do is actually going to do a divide by 1000 minus 1000 on the cell. Going to copy this, select the cells, paste special, um, and divide again, right? As you see, it's all done in the same way. Now I have few days down the line, I realize no, I do not want to see these in thousands, but just in positive. Again, it's going to be very simple, right? You just do a -1, come to paste special, do a multiply values, and that's it over here. So that's basically, some of these simple ways of using the paste special formula and calculation for calculations. Um, there are more ways, definitely, but this is just one of the other ways to use where you do not want to manipulate or duplicate your data in the data set. Right. So I do hope you found this useful. Take care and have a good day.